Hello everyone, Jana is here, and it's been a while since the last time I made video. Today I just want to make a quick video about updates, what is happening with the EA, because I know many of you are waiting for the new EA, and also a little bit of results of trading and a little bit of technical overview with gold, because it's been probably a month since last time I made a video. I had some issues with my family, had some problems with my parents' health, and also some other things were going on. So unfortunately, I just didn't feel like I wanted to do any videos, and I had no time. But if you followed my Telegram channel, you noticed that I was still sending my daily pending orders, well, let's say signals, every single day. Yes, I didn't have many signals during the day, but still some days there were maybe one or two trades I was sending. And of course, the one which is late night for me, London time is about 11 p.m. From about 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. In London, I was still sending all the time. Okay, so for all the people who are subscribed and following, and all the trades were successful. Okay, so as you can see right now, guys, on my screen, there is nothing floating. And previously, before I was showing you results, I was trading and testing the EA on demo account. So then afterwards, it's made good profit, like about 70. I had like 50,000 demo account, and it's at the end it was like 70, right? And don't remember, was it a couple of months or 3 months? But you can check it out where I had those videos and showing it. And then I decided that I would open a real account, which is cent account. I decided to also, because the EA still, I don't trust fully automatic strategies, guys. And that's why I will be showing. I'm still going to stream. I hope to start again this coming week, streaming it for you. And this is what I always suggest. If you are going to use my EA and you want to use the fully automatic setting, then only use it on cent accounts. Okay, guys, so that's why that's all I'm going to tell you. Because yes, you can use it on normal standard accounts, but it's all up to you. And I will not recommend it. Okay, because you remember that trading is a very risky, and especially if you are not able to watch it and you're not able to control it, it's very dangerous to do it. That's why I say you use only the amount of money you are willing to lose, and you're not going to cry for it. For example, I opened this account with $550, and if it's going to blow with the EA, I'm not going to cry for it. Okay, compared to if it would be real 50,000. So that's why, guys, the standard account, of course, if I trade, I will not trade it with completely fully automatic system. Yeah, you know that I have been showing you videos before, the standard account, and I was trading it with my EA, but all my trades were placed manually. I placed all the not trade well trades, also instant trades and pending orders trades with my EA, but I looked for the entry points only manually. So I did not use fully automatic EA on my account. I tried a few, but still controlling it, and then I just done it all manually, looking for the entry points. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. If you're going to use the full automatic system, only on Sense accounts. And you can also find the broker I use for Sense accounts, and also the other brokers in the description under this video. Okay. And so I just wanted to show you guys, basically with this on demo account, I was telling you I was using bigger lot size, right? Like it was a little bit too much. So basically on the real account, I'm using smaller lot sizes. On fully automatic system, I'm only using 0.02 lot size. And of course the signals and my pending orders, I am placing manually. I'm using still not 0.10. Okay, so just wanted to show you again. Is it going to be on my stream the two screens? As you can see, the little one here on the right, this is the one which is a fully automatic one, and that one is going to be with it's not refreshing at this moment, but this is the one I'm using with only 0.02 lot size. and as you can see, the other one is not point 0.10. So I hope it's not going to be too confusing. Of course, with my live streams, I will try this time to do a little bit more commentary. Yes, the previous ones I was doing mostly no commentary during the day because I was just placing it and leaving my room, and it was nothing to talk about, right? Because it was just run by the EA. So this time would be also mixed. I will try to still talk a little bit over it and also run it when I'm not at the screen. Of course, I'm not going to be able to talk about it. So just wanted to show you guys. I opened this real account now, right? Well, I opened it on the 30th of September. This is where I stopped using demo account, and basically it's started to trade also from the 30th, but basically it's October and a little bit of November. As you can see, it's already made me $3,582, which is $35, which is not too bad for pretty much hands-free trading. Yes, I would say it's hands-free because only using the fully automatic system and placing my pending orders through the night. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, nothing is running at this moment, so I am going to continue the same way, but I'm hoping to do a little bit more trading during the day now, right? Hopefully, like I'm saying, I was really planning to do it, but as you know, I think just a little bit too much. Circumstances, I don't know what is going to happen. Hopefully everything is going to be all right, and I will be able to do a little bit more of my trading. So we are going into a little bit holiday season, but remember, until middle of December, before Christmas time, it's still good time. I still like to trade that time. Unfortunately, I missed quite a lot of good moves during this time. What's October, isn't it? Was really good time for some trading, but still was doing quite all right. And so what else with the EA? I know a lot of you are waiting for this new EA. I still don't feel comfortable, to be honest, guys, with that fully automatic system. But like I'm saying, Sense accounts is perfectly fine. If you are happy with it, you would be able to have it. But sometime maybe next week or week after. Again, I know it's been so long. I have been also stressed about it because the programmer found some bugs in it system, even though it was really stable on demo account, had no issues with it, but he was concerned about something. He decided to fix it. He was fixing all this time, and also he put some new other settings which I didn't want to, but he thinks it would be better for the users. And I just don't want to to check those settings again because it's going to take long time again. So that's why I was thinking, I asked him to also to rewrite the instructions to add those new settings to the instructions so you can read what you have to do with this, because I'm probably not going to use those new settings, even though he's also a trader basically, and he thinks that these new settings are going to be really useful. And you will still will have the version of the EA you have now, those ones of you who are trading right through the Patreon, who have the EA. And I will give you this other one also to so you can try it on. Okay, you can try it either if you feel comfortable on real account, on Cent account. It's up to you, but I suggest try it on demo. Okay, so you can also try and test it on demo. So we will see. I'm still waiting from the programmer to do these instructions, and the moment it will be ready, I did a little bit of testing previous week, also on demo account, on the other account. I didn't put it on this one. Maybe this week I will start with that new EA on this account. But I'm not really comfortable, to be honest. I think I might just continue with this version, which is already stable, and I just keep the demo account, trying that whatever the new settings he put in, because I use it the same settings as I'm using on this one, and I just put another one setting which I think might be useful on the demo account, and so I would see what's the at the end of the week the results would be with my trading and with that new EA trading. Except that with the new EA I will not be placing pending orders. Okay, so here on this one I'm still going to show you my pending orders, where I'm placing them, and but the other one is just going to be fully automatic. So let's just see, but with a little bit of those new settings he put on. Okay, guys, so that's a little bit of updates for you. I thought it's a bit of a time to give you some news, because I know a lot of you are waiting. What is happening? Why is no new videos? And some of you are writing to me in private and worry about. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys that you are asking me what is happening, if everything is all right. And that's why I thought it's time to give you a little bit of updates. And hopefully I will be able to do the stream. Yes, it's also, guys, depends on the internet, because internet is not as stable here in Gibraltar, and it has a little bit of and we had lights cut off, so anything can happen, but I'll try. And just let's do a little bit of overview for gold. Basically, guys, while I was away, right, gold reached like 27.89 high, and had a bit of a drop. So basically dollar got a bit stronger, right? So because new president in US election. So congratulations to Americans who are watching, of course, with the new president. And of course, the all situation with gold, all this run up was based on geopolitical situation in the world, as you know, right? Israel is happening, and we will see what's the what Trump, right, won, and what his politics is going to be, right, towards whatever the this geopolitical thing in the world. So of course, what you noticed, basically, guys, you noticed that for me it was not difference, no much difference, right, where the market would go. I was placing my orders based on usual strategy, looking for the flat areas and of course the patterns, right? So that's why I didn't bother to look at the news and see where it's going, and just placing my orders as usual. That's what I'm going to continue to do. But if we would look at the bigger time frame, remember this big channel I had it a long time ago. I draw it, right, use the two tops and this bottoms, another bottom where I was telling you. So basically the expectation to go like really high, somewhere touching that level. So you see plus minus, it's actually did reach the high and got up that level. So and created here a double top and had a bit of a drop. So basically at this moment, I would say my expectation would be for gold continue going down to the previous bottom. It's still in uptrend, and it still did not take this bottom, right? Because if it would take this bottom, go through, then reverse, and then continue the way down, then it might say that we are in a downtrend. But no reverse at this moment, except okay, double bottom, double top. Here gives a little bit of idea of possible reverse. We also have this top, and this could end up shoulder, head, might go and give another shoulder, and then final breakout. But it's a little bit too much to talk about. So at this moment, let's say consider this channel and expectation of this. This is just technical. We are not talking about geopolitical. Yeah, of course, if it's going to be a bit of ease in geopolitical situation, then gold will continue fall. If it's going to get aggressive again, then of course gold will continue going up. So that's no questions, and don't need to think about it, except like I'm saying, with my strategy doesn't matter. And EA, for EA, it also doesn't matter as long as there are big moves happening. It's all perfectly fine. But technically looking, this is what it looks like. A possible going to 2604 back, taking this bottom, maybe give us a pin, and then turning around and trying to go back up, and possibly 2680 or maybe higher to give this a possible shoulder, right? And then we will talk about. But at this moment, I see it going in this channel. Okay, on a bit of a smaller time frame, if I would have a look also, as we broke this 2680, right? But it's you see it came back and stayed above it. So at this moment, as you can see, it creates a little bit of pattern, triangle. But also here was also good pattern, isn't it? It was about shoulder, head, and another shoulder, and this is was a breakout. And I bet if we put Fibonacci, it's probably stopped at about 60, yeah, 61. You see a little bit lower, which is about 70 something. We'll have 70, 71, 78, another Fibonacci level, plus minus. But that's how you could figure out where it's going to stop, basically, if you are interested at that point. And it wasn't much of the for me, because here I had a trade. Also, I placed the pending orders, and it's worked out well. And here, as you can see, that possible triangle or pennant it could end up, and from here the market might actually started to go back up again, right? But we have this little channel, as you can see, the little light blue channel, so it might try to go back up and be stopped by this other level, this one, as you can see, guys. And then from here it might started to go down, or who knows, it might go in this blue one and slowly go down, or something would happen, or anything else, and continue. Like I'm saying, need to watch, see what is happening with the news. At this moment, I'm not following the news as much. Like I'm saying, for my strategy, I don't care at this moment. I don't need to know too much about it. And of course, Fibonacci you can use. Here it's already stopped at 61, as you can see. That's why, for example, it might continue the way down from there, or if it's going to end up as a pennant trying to go break up 61 a bit higher, where we have 70, 78, whatever the next Fiba level, quite possible. And then it might still continue to go down. So as you can see, we have a bit of that little other channel, right, that sharp one up, where it's also could be, it's plus minus again. Yeah, so now we can a little bit adjust it. I can adjust it a little bit. Don't know if I can in here, not too much. No, it's a bit gone too far, but this level, okay. Anyway, so I'm just going to show you this way, right? So that level, so plus minus could be a little bit like this, see? And so that it just doesn't want to move. It's a bit, that blue one, right, could be adjusted a little bit. So this is where we have the top two bottoms. That's why here, for example, from here, it might try to go back up, touch that level, and then try to turn around. So I'm just not going to leave it because this is too much. Yeah, and I'm going to remove Fibonacci levels too, because it's don't want to have too many levels. I know it's a lot, but it's just let's see if I would see it. For me, I needed, of course, for looking for more orders, if I will be able to do it during the week, during the day, trading during the day and placing a little bit more orders, or going instant. Of course, I will share it with you guys through Telegram channel. As you know, I have the only one official Telegram channel, which is John FX. Please have a look. All other ones are nothing to do with me. They're all scam. Okay, scammers, so never send any money to anyone. If somebody asks you under my name, or look in the channel the same, because yes, they steal my pictures, they steal my screenshots and descriptions, but they have nothing to do with me. I don't ask you anything. The only I ask you, if you want to, you can join Patreon and rent the EA. That's it. Okay, everything else, investment or anything else, it's not me. I'm not asking you for that. It's all scammers, so be careful. So these are again all the screenshots I have been sending, and I will continue to do that. As I promise, every day at least one signal, if it's a possible entry point and possibility of placing the orders, it will be. And during the day, hopefully I might be able to also continue with my trading. But like I'm saying, instant is not going to be, I probably wouldn't send instant trades, because instant can happen like in a few seconds, and it's very hard to copy. But pending orders are easier, because you might have few minutes or like even hours before actually the orders could be triggered. Yeah, so and that's what I'm going to do, guys. Okay, so that's a little bit of updates for you in today's video. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe if you wish, and my live streams hope to come back with. And of course, through Telegram channel, I will be informing that the live stream started. So basically, if you join the Telegram channel, you're not going to miss my new videos and my new streams and my new pending orders, right? And yeah, I wish you all, guys, happy trading this week, and I hopefully talk to you next time. As usual, I'm always trying to make new video for Sunday with the results of the trading week, right? What was happening through the week. So hopefully now I will be able to back to normal, normal with my videos and trading. Okay, so that's it. Bye for now. Bye.